What's up guys? Today in the detail garage we have this Scion FRS and we're going to be showing you how to properly clean and maintain your floor mats. Now as you can see, these are WeatherTech rubberized floor mats. These are those custom fit awesome floor mats that keep your car looking its best. But over the long winter and also for being daily abused, it's got stains on it, it's discolored, and we're going to show you how to properly remove all that while also adding a nice protective barrier that keeps it looking lustrous. So over here we have our mat renew and a really stiff scrubbing brush. This is going to help reach in those pores of this rubberized material and bring back that natural look. So to get started, we'll just spray some of the mat renew right onto the surface. And now we'll just give this a moment to penetrate the surface. And in the meantime, we'll grab our drill attachment. This is going to save us some time and effort. It attaches to any drill, and then these stiff bristles help to really scrub the rubberized material. You can also use this on your regular floor mats to remove any kind of stains, grease, or any kind of discoloration. So this is perfect for you guys who are in an apartment or you don't have access to running water. I know it's been cold in a lot of those eastern states, so your floor mats get a lot of abuse, and this is the best way to keep them looking their best for longer. It's also going to enhance the longevity of these rubberized materials so that you don't have to go and replace these every few years. So now we're just going to start scrubbing it, and this will remove any of those embedded stains and revive that finish. So now we've chosen to go with black because this is going to pull off all that grease and debris, and these are going to get filthy. So instead of having a towel that looks awful, we've given it a black towel so that you can't see all that mess. And also with any new towel, tear off the tag so that you're not creating kind of swirls or scuffs, because these will scuff unfortunately, and that will look awful. So now we're just going to fold this up into fours, and then we just wipe off, work from top to bottom. You can also rinse these off if you have access to a hose or running water. And since there's not a whole lot of mess here, we'll just wipe off it. You can also let it air dry. And now it has that dark factory finish again. It's also protected with a nice deep finish, but it's not going to be slippery as it would be if you had to put a dressing on there or some kind of other cleaner. Now this floor mat is looking really good. So a quick recap, we started off by vacuuming out the floor mat so we're not spreading dirt all over the rest of the vehicle. Then using mat renew, we sprayed it directly on the surface and gave it a chance to saturate any of the deep set-in stains. And using a stiff bristle brush, we scrubbed away into those hard to reach areas. So now we're going to go ahead and move on to the rest of the vehicle. In the meantime, you guys can head over to our website and check out these products for yourself. Also, we're running a poll here. If you guys want to see us do the rest of the interior on this FRS, be sure to click right here and vote for yourselves. And we'll see you guys next time right here in the Detail Garage.